For decades, humankind has been facing the challenge of finding a way to produce and consume that uses natural resources responsibly. And how about you? Have you ever thought about the amount and variety of services and products that you use in everyday life? Electricity and power, paper, clothes, food, water, plastics, and many others. The green and circular economy sector recommends sustainability measures to minimize our environmental impact. This sector is divided in two areas of activity. The first one is renewable energies, which is made up by energy efficiency consultants, construction companies and renewable energy installation companies, and maintenance operators. The most established renewable energy sources are the following: wind energy, photovoltaic and thermal solar energy, biomass, hydropower, geothermal energy, biofuels, and marine energy. Secondly, we can find the environmental management area, which includes activities of control, protection and promotion of natural spaces, waste management, and environmental consultant services, which are becoming increasingly relevant thanks to the transition towards more ecological models of production and consumption. A particularly relevant concept for this sector is energy efficiency, which aims to reduce energy consumption and economic costs. This area has grown considerably in recent years. In fact, in 2021 alone, it created 25,000 jobs in Catalonia. Actors intervening in energy efficiency include material manufacturers, installation and maintenance companies, and auditing and consulting firms. Another key aspect is circularity. Circularity aims to leave behind an extract, produce and throw away model and search for alternatives that involve reusing resources and materials to minimize the environmental impact, from an initial phase of product design and manufacture all the way through to waste management. In 2019, Barcelona produced 1.3 kg per person a day of urban solid waste, amounting to 2,668 tons a year. Nearly half of them were recycled. In recent years, there has been a surge in the production and consumption of renewable energy. In Spain, this industry created 95,089 jobs during 2019, and in 2020, the consumption of renewable energy added up to 44% of the total. Besides, in the coming decades, energy sources are expected to change due to energy transition. Energy sources such as coal, oil, nuclear energy, and other non-renewable resources will disappear. This transition will create employment in professions related to manufacturing, installing, and maintaining renewable energy, and also in consultancy, environmental education, and energy efficiency. Due to the increase of public policies and projects in sustainable energy, energy efficiency, and circular economy, there will be a demand for new professionals. Besides, some current workers of this sector and others will need to retrain. This applies, for example, to construction workers who will work in the energy renovation of buildings. Several challenges are to be faced by the sector in the future. It will have to deal with the popularization of distributed generation model, in which people organize and self-manage their own energy. Also, more sustainable consumption patterns are to be promoted among citizens. Companies should adopt circular economy practices, and responsible authorities will have to strengthen control mechanisms. As we have seen, the green and circular economy sector will grow significantly in the upcoming years and will have to bring on board professional profiles in the fields of energy efficiency, maintenance of installation, and circular economy. The establishment of greener products, services, and processes is already here. Are you in?